A few years ago, creating high-quality marketing content usually required a complicated workflow. You needed footage, motion graphics, transitions, multiple edits, and sometimes entire teams just to produce enough content consistently. But today, creators and businesses need content at an even larger scale. More ads, more short videos, more product variations, more hooks, and faster production for every platform. And honestly, most people simply don't have enough footage or enough time to keep up with that demand. So in this video, I wanted to test CapCut PC with Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2.0 and see whether this workflow can actually help creators generate scalable visual content faster inside one connected system. Right now I'm inside CapCut PC, and one thing I immediately noticed is how integrated the workflow feels. Inside the AI video section, we already have image to video, Omni Reference, and text to video directly connected to the editing environment itself. So instead of constantly jumping between separate AI generators and editing software, most of the workflow already happens inside the same timeline. For the first test, I want to focus on something very practical for creators and marketeers: turning one simple product image into multiple advertisement visuals. So I'm importing a clean product image directly into image to video and selecting Seedance 2.0. Step 1. Use GPT Image 2.0 to generate creative materials in batches. After generating multiple product visuals, I can quickly compare different creative directions, choose the strongest concepts, and move them directly into the next stage of production without wasting time creating everything manually. Step 2. Use Seedance 2.0 to convert images to videos seamlessly. Inside the settings, we can adjust the ratio, resolution, and generation model directly inside CapCut PC. Now, instead of generating random motion, I specifically describe a luxury commercial style with cinematic lighting, smooth camera movement, premium reflections, and realistic visual pacing. And honestly, the result looks surprisingly polished. The product remains visually consistent, the reflections stay stable, and the motion feels much smoother than a typical AI-generated clip. But now I want to push this further, because consistency is usually where most AI video tools completely fall apart. Once you start generating multiple scenes, subject changes, lighting changes, and visual continuity breaks very quickly. That's where Omni Reference becomes one of the most interesting parts of this workflow. Step 3. Perform detailed final editing via the multi-track workflow. Instead of generating blindly, Omni Reference allows you to import multiple image and video references for camera movement, transitions, visual style, and scene direction. So now I can preserve cinematic movement and transition pacing from one reference while completely changing the product and environment. And honestly, this becomes extremely useful for creators producing advertisements, short-form campaigns, social media visuals, or multiple marketing variations quickly. For example, I can create multiple advertisement versions from the original product image while keeping the visual identity much more consistent across scenes. So now I'm importing multiple references and generating another sequence with faster movement, stronger transitions, and more dynamic camera behavior. And surprisingly, Seedance 2.0 handles movement much better than any AI tools I've tested recently. The camera motion stays coherent, transitions feel smoother, and the subject remains much more stable during motion-heavy scenes. Now another thing I really like is that all of this is directly connected to the CapCut editing timeline itself. And honestly, I think this is one of the biggest advantages of the workflow. Because normally AI production becomes messy very quickly. Generate visuals somewhere else, export them, re-import them into another editor, rebuild transitions, fix pacing, and repeat the process again. But here, the AI generation and editing pipeline already exist inside the same environment. So after generating scenes, I can immediately trim clips, combine sequences, refine transitions, adjust pacing, and create multiple versions much faster. This becomes especially useful for repetitive content production like social media ads, product campaigns, seasonal promotions, multiple hooks, or short-form platform variations. Now I also want to test text to video. So instead of building complicated prompts manually, I simply describe a cinematic rooftop scene with neon lighting, rain, dramatic atmosphere, and smooth camera movement. And surprisingly, the output feels much more coherent than expected. The lighting remains stable, the visual atmosphere stays consistent, and the motion feels intentionally structured instead of randomly generated. And honestly, I think that's the real strength of this workflow. Not just generating AI visuals, but helping creators produce scalable content much faster while keeping generation, editing, transitions, and refinement connected inside one production system. Especially for creators, marketeers, and businesses constantly needing more content without massively increasing production costs. So overall, CapCut PC with Seedance 2.0 feels much more like a complete creative workflow tool instead of just another standalone AI generator. If you want to test it yourself, check the link in the description. Comment CapCut below and I'll send you the access link directly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.